In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Calendar.x import errors. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then click Settings from the dropdown. In the left sidebar, click Import and Export. Your screen now shows the Import section with a Select File from your computer button and an Add to Calendar dropdown. Let's tackle the first fix, which is the unable to process your iCal or CSV file error. This happens when you upload a zip instead of a .x. Click Select File from your computer in the Import section. Choose the zipped export from your desktop and confirm the file name appears next to the button. Click Import. Google Calendar shows the error reading, imported 0 out of 0 events, unable to process your iCal or CSV file. This happens because Google Calendar's web import only accepts individual .x files. It cannot read a zip archive, even when the zip file contains a valid .x inside. To fix this, open your desktop file manager. That's Finder on Mac or File Explorer on Windows. Right-click the zipped export and choose Extract All on Windows, or double-click to unzip on Mac. Switch back to the Google Calendar Import and Export tab. Click Select File from your computer again, then choose the extracted file. Leave Add to Calendar on your primary calendar and click Import. Google Calendar confirms 15 events imported and the events appear on your calendar grid. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's move on to the second fix, where events show at the wrong time. Click the back arrow in the top left, or click Calendar in the Browser tab. To return to the calendar grid, navigate to the week of Monday, May 4, 2026. That's the week the sample events are dated for. Notice the imported events. The time column shows them at 6 a.m., 8 a.m., and 10 a.m. Pacific, even though the event data is Eastern Time, meaning 9 a.m., 11 a.m., and 1 p.m. That's a 3-hour shift you did not want. This mismatch happens whenever your Google Calendar time zone doesn't match the time zone baked into the .x file. Google converts every event to the viewer's current time zone on display. To correct this, click the gear icon in the top right corner, then click Settings. In the left sidebar, click General, which is selected by default when Settings opens. Scroll to the Time Zone section and click the Primary Time Zone dropdown. Choose GMT-5 Eastern Time, New York. The change saves automatically, with no Save button to press. In the top left, click the back arrow to return to the calendar. The same events now display at 9 a.m., 11 a.m., and 1 p.m. on the grid. They're intended Eastern Time positions. No re-import is needed, because Google Calendar stores event times in UTC internally and redisplays them in your current time zone. For the third fix, we'll handle the Google Calendar's temporarily unavailable error, which means your file is over 1 megabyte. Click the gear icon again, click Settings, and in the left sidebar, click Import and Export. Click Select File from your computer, choose the oversized export, and click Import. Google Calendar shows the message. Google Calendar is temporarily unavailable. The wording is misleading. This error actually means your file exceeds Google's 1 megabyte per import size limit. To resolve it, click Select File from your computer, choose the first pre-split half, and click Import. Wait for the confirmation, something like 2,500 events imported. Click Select File from your computer again, choose the second half, and click Import. Wait for the second confirmation, and both halves now import successfully. In real life, you would split the file yourself. Open the .x in any text editor. Copy half of the begin, VEVN to event blocks into a new file, keeping the begin vCalendar header and end vCalendar footer on each half. Save as 2 separate files, and import them one at a time. With all 3 fixes complete, you've seen every error message. Your 15 sample events sit at their correct Eastern Time positions, and the oversized archive has been fully restored, adding around 5,000 historical events to your calendar.